Assalamu alaikum. The title of my paper is Gauging into the Crystal Ball when the future internet meets the mobile clouds. This presentation is submitted to Dr. Abulek, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and submitted by me, MD Abdul Muttalib Shuman. My ID is M1703050334. Here is the outline of my presentation. Abstract. The latest advance in mobile device and the widespread diffusion of network objects are driving the evolution of traditional mobile cloud computing system towards a new framework where storage, computing, sensing, and other device capabilities are offered as a service that at the network edge. The visionary scenario, encompassing heterogeneous resources generated, shared, and consumed everywhere in the network, requires innovative architectural and protocol design, providing an affirmative answer by proposing future mobile cloud computing. It's a novel architecture that capitalizes on such promising approach and relinks their philosophy to better fit the evolution of MCC system. The performance of future MCC has been investigated in the representative, heterogeneous, and dynamic smart city scenario. Computer simulation results clearly demonstrate that the proposed solution ensure 60 to 91% bandwidth reduction. That is huge. An average energy saving equal to 99% with respect to the conventional cloud computing system. Later in this presentation, we will see the graph of two advantages of the proper system. In existing system, the evaluation of MCC will deal with a quite complex ecosystem where billions of heterogeneous devices, mobile handheld devices, wireless sensors, camera, etc., and data centers expose a large variety of local remote resources as service. The resource will be shared and consumed throughout the network in a manner that is agnostic of their physical location. The configuration setting of the hosting device and the communication technology. Enabling the revolutionary scenario is inevitably a challenging task. Proposed system. In order to access the effectiveness and the efficiency of the proposed architecture, a smart city scenario has been modeled and evaluated through computer simulation. Obtained results clearly demonstrate the future MCC significantly outperforms a conventional cloud computing platform, both terms of bandwidth requirements and energy consumption. Accordingly, future mobile cloud computing positions itself as a very promising deployment situation for upcoming MCC architecture. Here is the proper system. Heterogeneous devices consume and share their local resources and access resources remotely provided. In this paper, they tried to and they completed the smart city scenario. Here we can see that the heterogeneous devices such as phone, computer, 4G devices, and other equipped are sharing resources among themselves, and only a resource taken from the data center in the yellow dotted line we can see that. And we also see that the various smaller network, the devices in these networks are connected and sharing their resources in the bottom of the picture. And they mentioned three modules for their task, and one is centralized resource discovery. The centralized approach is the most robust solution to discover resource that can be remotely provided. The middleware, this is the important thing in this paper. The middleware instance sends its request to the service engine belonging to the management plane that locate the most suitable resource. Setting of required resource has been retrieved. Consumer and producer application will interact by using a specific network protocol. Here is the figure, the big picture of the convenienced architecture. We can see that the traffic engine, server engine, and authorized server are connected to the separated devices through middleware. Network optimization is another module. The traffic engine of the control plane is in charge of enforcing sophisticated strategies aimed at dynamically optimizing network operation. The resource consumer and network nodes use as service update and traffic update API of the middleware to provide feedback related to the quality of service level experienced by the end user and the traffic load registered at the network plane. The traffic engine uses the configure API of the middleware I mentioned in the previous slide to set the properties of the network plane. Security support. Security is another big concern of MCC architecture. Unfortunately, connection-oriented security service widely used in the current internet may poorly fit the requirements of upcoming MCC architecture due to the disturbed access to the virtual resources and the constrained nature of the majority of the resource producer. In fact, conventional secured scheme bring to serious scalability issues. Here is the module security support. The security model designed for future mobile cloud computing. Here we can see that the resource consumer, IoT gateway, service engine, and authorized server. Performance evaluation. The simulated grand network with an example configuration where we can see that the resources are sharing the resource the devices are sharing their resources among themselves, and the consumer getting the required resource from the network. Here is the performance evaluation table and the notation of their experiment, and this is the final equation they mentioned in their paper. Here pi and alpha are the popularity of ith composite service and the GIF coefficient characterizing the popularity profile of all the available services. This is the result. We can see that the conventional cloud peak value mentioned here with high bandwidth requirement and composite services. But the future MCC peak value is this. This is quite low, and conventional cloud mean value mentioned here. This is how we can see the notation, and the future MCC mean value is here. So we can see that the experiment that mentioned in the paper is very effective. This is another result. Conventional cloud energy consumption and composite service about that was about the bandwidth, and this is energy consumption. We can see that the conventional cloud consume more energy, and the future MCC consumes less energy mentioned here. Advantages: reducing the traffic in the backbone network through a wise local versus remote load balancing, improving the satisfaction of end user, cost saving of the producer. Disadvantages: computing and networking technologies have evolved at an incredible pace. On the one hand, to match the growing user demand, and on the other hand, to fully exploit the increasing capabilities of personal devices and resource rich network nodes. Due to distributed access to virtual resources and the constrained nature of the majority of the resource producer, in fact, conventional security scheme bring to serious scalability issue. To solve the problem, Fuser MCC integrate the extends some valid solution recently developed in the literature, like that other offering and production of resource against unauthorized access. Conclusion: in this paper, we or they formulated a novel architecture, namely Fuser MCC, able to efficiently supports advanced application in future mobile cloud computing system. Achieved result clearly demonstrate that the proposed approach ensure: number one, a reduction of bandwidth requirements spanning from 66% to 91%, and the average energy saving equal to 99%. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.